5 Proven home remedies for hair growth. Many people experience hair loss at some time or another in their lives. Common causes include aging, changes in hormone levels, heredity, medications, and medical conditions. In many cases, hair loss is reversible, and there are ways you can help improve your hair's thickness and appearance. Research suggests there are some simple ways you can help promote hair growth at home. 1. Eggs. Eggs are high in protein, which is essential for the body to build strong, thick hair. When used regularly, an egg treatment may help thicken and strengthen a person's hair. Take 1 or 2 eggs, depending on the length of your hair, and beat it properly. Apply the egg on wet hair and allow it to sit for about 30 minutes. Wash your hair with lukewarm water and shampoo. You can use this protein treatment once or twice a week. 2. Castor oil. Castor oil is high in vitamin E and fatty acids. Vitamin E is known for aiding hair health. When applied, it may help to encourage blood circulation in the scalp and healthy hair growth. Heat a mixture of equal parts of castor oil and coconut oil. Simply using castor oil will also work, but it tends to be too thick. Apply it on your head and scalp and massage in circular motions. Comb your hair to distribute the oil and remove tangles. Cover your hair with a towel moistened with warm water. Leave it on for at least 1 hour and then shampoo your hair as usual. 3. Olive oil. Olive oil is another natural miracle that has thousands of health benefits. The nutrient-rich oil can help you not only to thicken up your hair but also to soften and restore its health. Especially on dry scalps and split ends of hair, this formula works like magic. Massage your hair and scalp with warm olive oil and leave it on for at least 30 to 45 minutes and then shampoo your hair as usual. Let every part of your scalp receive the nutrients. Want a better result, and you're not in a hurry, you can keep the oil on your scalp for the whole night. 4. Avocados. Avocado can also be used to get thicker hair as it moisturizes and thickens the hair. Vitamin E present in the fruit contributes to overall hair health. Make a mixture of 1 mashed avocado, 1 mashed banana and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Massage it on your scalp and leave the mixture on your hair for about 30 minutes so that the nutrients are absorbed by the scalp. Finally, rinse it out and shampoo your hair. 5. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has the right ingredients for stronger and bouncier hair. Vitamin C, vitamin Bs and acetic acid. Vitamin C is known for fighting harmful free radicals and dandruff. Vitamin B can help in smoother blood circulation. Acetic acid can help in ridding the hair of harmful chemicals, germs and bacteria. Combine half a cup of apple cider vinegar with the grated peel off a lemon. Apply on your scalp and leave it on for 20 minutes. This will help the mix absorb excess oil from your scalp. Rinse off with water. Stay positive and do your best to maintain a healthy lifestyle that will complement your hair treatment plan. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family.